Rock of Ages, let our song praise thy saving power.
Happy Hanukkah, everyone. I hope that each of the days of Hanukkah so far have become increasingly joyous, increasingly special, and increasingly meaningful as you have been celebrating each of the past days. As you can see, we're on day number 3. And the idea that our holiday gets increasingly more beautiful and sacred has not always been the case. In fact, back in the day when Hillel and Shammai and their academies were in existence back in the 1st century, they would argue back and forth on many, many different topics, one of which was the Hanukkah menorah. How are we supposed to light our Chanukah according to each of these academies? Well, according to the Academy of Shammai, who took life very literally and very, very seriously, they argued that the lighting of our Chanukiot should reflect the reality of the oil itself. Each day, it should diminish in its light to reflect the fact that when the light of the Hanukkah oil existed at first, it was its brightest, and then each successive day, it became less so. So according to Shammai, the Hanukkah menorah would be its brightest on day 1, and then each successive day becoming less bright. But Hillel argued that it was a very anticlimactic way to celebrate any holiday, that what we should really be celebrating is the miracle itself, that each and every day of the holiday itself reflected the fact that the miracle was taking place. It was more miraculous that it lasted 2 days, then 3 days, then 4 days, all the way up to 8 days. And at that time, the miracle was the brightest. And so according to Hillel, we should start with just 1 and then light the candles until they become a celebration of the miracle in all its glory. May each of the successive days of Hanukkah for you be more and more glorious as these days unfold. Happy Hanukkah.
Rock of Ages, let our song praise thy saving power. You amidst the